I got another unboxing for you. Just a lightning to headphone jack. This thing was $10. Obviously it's Apple, it's gonna be their pricing. No comments on their pricing. But with Apple you do get this premium packaging at least. And there it is. There's the lightning cable. And to the headphone jack, this is any aux will fit in this. This is a 3.5 mm. Anything else in the box? Got your typical manual book in the box, and another information guide. And there you have it. Nothing else in the box. Completely empty. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Another unboxing for you.